We are thrilled to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can switch off Oppo phone without touchscreen. So if you're experiencing any touchscreen or display problems, you can absolutely power off your phone without using the sensors or the touchscreen at all. You will simply need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up key and power button like that, and just do not let them go until the phone will be powered off or switched off, which I would assume can take anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds, but as you could have seen, that actually was 5 seconds. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.